along with all the fun buttonholes, corded buttonhole, manual buttonhole, bar tocks, sewing on buttons, there is also an eyelet. Stitch number 37 on the Pfaff Expression 3.5 is just a quick little way to create a small, more rounded opening for something that needs to go through your fabric. You step on the foot control, you let it finish, you lift up your foot off the foot control, hit your scissors, and voila, you have an eyelet. Now, if for any reason your eyelet doesn't turn out perfectly round, my first one actually turned out a little bit offset, you can actually go into the tools and adjust the balance and make it so it kind of comes together around itself and looks more level. So if for any reason you're not getting the balance that you're looking for, go into the settings and adjust it. You can actually adjust balance a couple different ways. And so if you get it turning out even worse, you take it to the minus side. So it just depends if you have anything that is not turning out perfect. Trust me, you'll be able to fix it with no problem whatsoever. Eyelets can be used for tying quilts. I love that feature. You could also use buttons to tie quilts. So you can, instead of turning and tying with like yarn, you can just put it underneath your presser foot, stitch an eyelet, move over to your next block, stitch an eyelet, and so forth. But you could also do it with buttons. So have some fun with more than just buttonhole styles for your eyelet and use them in other places.